I thought that was a snake. I was like, oh crap. But it's a bike tube. I know the water's definitely not as clear here either. And I don't know how deep it is or isn't. I'm gonna have this place all to myself, most likely. So when I did look on Google Maps, there was a guy, when they did took the satellite image. I don't know if you guys are familiar, probably most of you aren't, but Live Water Sports, and the guy's out of Clearwater, and he makes, they're basically paddle boards, but the hull's catamaran style. And when you go on Google Maps, there's a guy floating out here on that. It's pretty cool. I was like, well, if that guy's back here, I'm gonna try it. Sweet, man. Hell yeah. I don't know what my expectations are. Not really a whole bunch right now, but I'm sure there's some beefcakes in here of something. Okay, that I don't even know how deep it is. I think that's a big red, or it's a catfish. He's hooked funny. It's a good fish, man, whatever the heck it is. I think he's just hooked weird. Yeah, I think that's a big red. What's going on here? If I ever see this fish, these hooks aren't all that great on this either. Man, please don't be a catfish. Oh, I think I foul hooked him. That was a black drum. Oh, no, what the heck? Are you kidding me? How the heck? Bro, that's not normal. And it's in his mouth. I thought I foul hooked him on his back. He straight up went after that. Are you for real? Oh my gosh, he's big. What the heck? That makes no sense. Dude, these guys feed on crustaceans, man. Dude, was that one just under me? This guy. No, that was him. Oh my goodness. Dude! Look at that. Holy cow. I've never, ever caught a black drum. Alright, girl. On a swim bait like that. Crabs and shrimp. I don't even know. Whatever. What the heck? That's so weird. That was awesome. I swear I thought that was a giant catfish. A giant catfish or a giant red, just the way that was pulsating. Hell yeah, man. The snook. Shoes, of course you're in my That perfect example, man. Perfect example of how to trying to figure out how to manage that. I probably could have possibly got by with not putting that down, but just because of where he was running to. All right, line's good. Just I didn't want to take any chances. He's about the same size as the one I just lost. This bait is about done, and I don't think I have any more. So that's those janky ones that I super glued. Thank you, sir. Oh man, what? Oh, don't go that way. What's a snook? I thought that was a red. Z-man. Oh, there we go. Nice snook, man. Really nice. Really, really nice. Ooh. He's got a little gold to him. A little bit of a gold tint. Ooh, that water's, man, nice and warm. I've said this in a couple of my videos, but when you get back in these little compounds and stuff, if you get reds, sometimes they get really, really gold just because of the water stained, and they essentially, sometimes they may not ever leave this compound at all. They'll just grow up in this area or migrate into it, and then just they never leave. Just start to absorb kind of tannic water into their skin, and then they just stay that color. I don't catch a lot of snook in these compounds just because I've never fished here, but when I get reds, they get really, really gold. I mean, they're literally turned to goldfish at that point. But it's pretty cool. Get around this corner, give me a better idea of what I'm dealing with this little cell. Oof. Yep, they're that's what I'm talking about. Those two started, one started up here, the other, and now they're about to join. They're just gonna flare up and just explode. I hope not. Bit of a rain delay. I fished through the whole entire thing. It never got really bad. I mean, it poured, but it didn't get, you know, thunder and lightning kind of stuff. Are you kidding me? First cast with this? There's no way. I don't understand it. I kid you not, I probably hadn't got a bite in like 4 or 5 hours. I changed baits to a white, I think it's a DOA cow, I think. Is it DOA? It's not even, maybe it is usually DOA's got a stamp on the bottom. That's a DOA lure, but this doesn't. But I mean, I just switched to this and it's all janky. I got this one out of a tree, I think. Threw it over there, and I've already cast it over there a couple times with, I don't know, 1 or 2 different lures and nothing. That thing hits the water and bam. Okay, that's how it's gonna be. good snook. Man. Oh gosh. I didn't even know that I had him. It's kind of deep right here. Fudge. This isn't good. Is that a red? Huh. Wait, no. That's a snook. That's, I don't know what that is. Oh, that is a red. That's a nice fish. Barely. I would say barely hook, but kind of. Nice job. Flick that right to my own finger. All right, putting in the hours, I'll tell you that. Whew. Snook and a red. Keep on cranking. That's all I can do. There's one. Came off. Just about to try and put the stake out down on that one. And my line's frayed. Change it up. That's the thing, man. Like, you got to find that split second to be able to sit down, leverage that fish, get the stake out pulled down. Hopefully it's not too deep, you know, where it actually doesn't catch. So there's so many variables and all that stuff. There you go. There you go. Oh, gosh. What the fart knockers? How do you guys just blow up all that bait and then... Oh no, oh no. Oh no, no. No. If he wants to go out that way. I don't know where he went. Oh my gosh, this is so difficult. This is so difficult. That was the size of the two I lost a couple days ago. Yeah. Yes. Persistence. No. Persistence. Persistence. That's what I lost yesterday. Thursday. Alright. You know the drill, boss. And you got locked down. Yes. Oh, that felt so good. And that's what I got him on. That size snook on this little tiny, what is that, 3.5, 4-inch bait. But if you notice, my leader's only frayed up about an inch. Oh, I take that back. He got there's a little nick up there, but whew, that felt good, man. In tight quarters. Thank God he ran. Thank God I was able to pull him out, but he ran that way. And the one thing, if you notice when I caught him, is when he started to swim over there, I got my line as low as I possibly could, put my rod in the water to make sure that it went under all those little mangroves and little sticks and stuff, because all it would take is one little wrap up around that thing. And you know, God forbid there's oysters growing on there or something like that, just enough to grab your line and break it. So small little things you got to think about when you see a fish running like that is, if you see any kind of structure like that and you know there's stuff dipping into the water, just keep your rod tip as low as you can get it, put your rod in the water and hope for the best. That's pretty much all you can really do. And then, ooh, there's one back there. And then there was that's over there. Man, that just hurt the heck out of my back. And then the other one was a black and